Hi everyone, this is Imran here and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are gonna learn how to make this beautiful car driving school website using Avada theme. We are gonna learn how to make this WordPress website really from the beginning. You are gonna learn more details about the Fusion Builder Live, the latest version of Fusion Builder. And in this version, you can build any website live. Just it's a front-end builder. So stay with me and please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And before we start making this video, let's have a look at the design. If I scroll down, the top part goes away. That means it's a sticky header. And here goes the banner. And scroll down. Just check the sections. Parallax image. All the sections you need for a driving school website. And if you click here, it will bring you to the top. Okay, the design is fully responsive and it will show well on other devices also. We should start designing this website. As we are going to make this website live on the internet, we will have to purchase a domain name and a hosting package. Here you can see avada.io. It's a domain name and these files are hosted in a hosting account. Okay, say for example youtube.com, it's also a domain name and this content are hosted in a hosting server. So for domain and hosting, I recommend SiteGround. I use their service and well, here I am on siteground.com and if you hover over hosting and you will see WordPress hosting. Click on it and here you will find their popular 3 packages. If you have only one domain, you can start with the startup, but this package, using this package, you can host unlimited websites. Here you can see unlimited website. Well, you will get some extra features for this package and this package also. Just decide yourself of any package and hit this button, get plan. Well friends, here goes the step number 2 and here you will register for a domain name. If you have a domain name, then you will go for the second option. I already have a domain, but if you don't have, if you want to register a domain name, then you should consider your brand. Then your domain name should represent your brand value. Okay, I'm just going to try a demo domain, Avada theme just avadadev.com. Congratulations, the domain avadadev.com is available. Now here you will add your account information, client information, payment information, purchase information. You can change your plan here. You can change the data center and finally check these 2 boxes and hit pay now button. Okay, once you have successfully purchased this package, then just try to come here on top, hit login button. Okay, and also you will get several emails from SiteGround and they will provide you the name, servers and etc. Okay, just hit login. I have already added my email address and password, so hit login. Well, once you have successfully logged into your siteground.com account and you will be sent here. This is the first landing page. Here you can see home, website, service, billing, referral, marketplace, etc. and lots of things on the below. But now let's install WordPress. And what I'm going to do, just click on websites and here you will see website details and from here you will click on site tools. Then here you can see site, security, speed, WordPress, domain, etc. Okay, I'm going to click on WordPress and here you can see install and manage. Install new WordPress. Just select WordPress. We are not going to install WordPress and WooCommerce. Just select it, and here you can see application setup. You will have to choose a domain name. I'm going to search for my subdomain. Okay, I have selected my subdomain, and installation path, just keep it default, and language will be English, and uncheck this, I don't need the starter. And admin info, here you will choose an username. The username will be used to access the dashboard of WordPress, and I'm just going to use a dummy username for this time being. Just what should I say, admin test. Okay, and email address, and password. You can add any password, but just click on this generate button to generate password. You can also see the password, and if you are not happy with this password, you can change it or regenerate. Just click on this button to regenerate it anytime. Okay, and here you can see an add-on, install WordPress multi-site, but we are not going to install any multi-site right now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this password and hit install now button, and you can see it's going to be installed. Well, you can see WordPress has been installed on that domain avada.themescode.net. Now you can see, just visit the site, or you can access the admin panel. Okay, here you will see the list of the website you have installed. Just I'm going to access the admin panel, and again I'm going to visit the site. Here it is. So now we have successfully installed WordPress CMS using SiteGround hosting interface. Okay, and you can just anytime log out of this website, and again if you want to log in, what you will have to do, after the domain name, say for example this is your website and this is the domain, and after the domain name you will type / and wp-admin and hit enter. Then now you will use the username. I have used the username admin-test, and I'm going to use the password. Hit login. Okay, so by this time, if you have followed the step I showed you, I hope you could install WordPress. But you might be on cPanel based web hosting interface, or you might be working on any local host, but the process will be same. If you are working on any local host environment, just skip this step, and now you will see the same process for both live server and local host. Okay, now what I'm going to do, let's install the theme, Avada theme. Here I'm on themeforest.net, and here is the Avada theme landing page. I have provided the link in the video description. If you click on that link, you will be sent here, and just click on this buy now button, and you will be able to purchase this theme. Just if I click on buy now, here you can see the option to create an account, use your name, first name, last name, email address, and make the payment. Okay, I'm going to sign into my account. Once you have successfully purchased this Avada theme, then you will see this link, download. Okay, and click on download, and the theme will be automatically downloaded. But I have already downloaded, so I'm not going to do this. Again. Okay, I'm going to browse my hard disk, and here you can see the theme I have downloaded. And if you unzip this file, then you will see this Avada full package, and just get into it. Here you will see Avada theme, just avada.zip file. Okay, this is the theme file. So we will install this theme file. Now just get back to the dashboard, and under appearance you can see themes. Just click on themes. As we are going to install the theme from an external source, what we'll have to do, we'll have to click on add new, and then click on upload theme. Then click on choose file, click on Avada theme, and click on avada.zip. Hit install now. Now the theme has been installed. Now click on this button to activate it. Okay, by this time we have successfully installed the Avada theme. Now what I'll have to do, install and update the required plugin needed. And to install any required plugin, we will have to register the theme. So first tab is welcome, and second tab is registration. Okay, here you will have to enter the inverter token to complete the registration. Where you will get the token? As we have purchased the theme, we will get a purchase code, and if you click on this link, generate a personal token, you will be able to generate a token. What you will do, you will just follow the steps. Okay, once you have successfully generated the token, just paste the token here. Okay, I have added the inverter token. Just hit submit. Now you can see, thank you for choosing Avada. Congratulations. Thank you for registering your product. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to install the required plugins. Just go to manage plugins. Just click on this button. Well, for this tutorial, we will install the required plugin and this plugin, contact form 7. Okay, just install this one and return to the required plugin installer. Hit install again. And this one. Now I have successfully installed the required plugins. Let's see the website now. By now our website look like this, but our expected design is that we will design a website like this one. Okay, so what you can do, you can also import any demo website. If you purchase this theme, you will get if you purchase this theme, you will be able to install any of this premium quality demos. Okay, just click on preview. Here you will see all the demos. Okay, you can check any of the, but what I'm going to do, I'm not going to install any or import any demo data or demo site, because I would like to show how to create this website from the beginning and step by step. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start designing the website like this one. Well friends, before we start designing, let's download the images I have used in the demo website, so you will be able to easily follow up the tutorial. Come to my website imranimu.com, and here you will see a menu called freebie. Just click on it, and here you will find this tab, free images for Avada web design tutorial on. As this is the first tutorial on Avada on my channel, so this one is the number one. Just click on free purchase and check out, and just use your details to get this image. Okay, once you have successfully got it, then you can again come here on purchase history to get these images, and you will be sent several, and you will also be sent an email with the files. Well, I have already got the file here, and I'm just going to unzip it, and inside I'll see the images. Okay, so I'm going to get back to the dashboard of the website and click on media. Here you can see media, and click on add new, and select files, and select all the files, so it will be uploaded once. And here you can see these files are uploading. Okay, it's done. So now if I hover over the library, then here you can see I have all the images that I used in the demo website. So now I won't have to spend a lot of time to upload the images again and again. And now let's create some pages, as it is the home page. Okay, just click on pages and click on all pages, and I have just 2 default pages, but I will start creating a new page. Hi everyone, by this time we have successfully imported all the media files like images that we will need to design this website. And now I would like to show you the menu items we have got after installing the Avada theme. Here you can see the new menu item Avada, and Fusion Builder, Fusion Slider, and here Elastic Slider. If we uninstall the Avada theme, then you won't see these menu items. We see this because of Avada theme. And if I hover over Avada, then here you can see Fusion Patcher, theme option, system status, blah blah. Just click on Avada, and here you can see plugins, etc. Okay, I will have to click on Fusion Patcher first. Okay, patch means some technical updates. Okay, some updates has been it can be any bug fix or anything else that we should apply every time. Here you can see patch number this, and I'm going to hit apply patch. Apply. apply. Whenever you log into your dashboard, then you will check is there any new patch, and if it available, then just hit apply. Okay, now it's solved. Then what I'll have to do, I'll have to check the theme options because it's necessary to do before we start designing. Then click on theme options. Here is the logo of the Fusion and Avada 6.2, the current version. And if I scroll down, here you can see the group of options: layout, responsive, color. If I click on color, header, and header has some sub menu, and under each of this menu item you will see lots of setting options. But what I'm going to show you, just Outlook to start from the beginning, just layout, and I'm going to access the dashboard of this demo site, and that is here. Okay, avada.io. The domain name avada.io is for just the demo website. And if I come here under layout, here you can see layout, and layout is white, not boxed. So what I'm going to do, just going to check it, and it's also white, and site width will be 1200 pixel, and page content padding. Here on the demo site, we have set it to 0 because we don't want any padding to the content section or container. Here it is a container or section. I don't see any padding here. So we are going to make the content padding 0. Okay. Don't skip this part, because if you don't take care of this, then sometimes you might see that you are following my tutorial but the result is different. And 100% width padding, what I said here, 100% width padding 0. I don't need any padding, so go for it 0. Okay, single sidebar width, and just keep it default. I set it default. Okay, then hit save changes. Now go to the responsive tab, and here you will see responsive design is on, and grid responsive breakpoint, header responsive breakpoint, site content responsive breakpoint. I just left all the things default. If I check the demo site, everything is default. Okay, and the next setting is color, primary color. This is the default primary color, but let's see our design. Click on it. Here is the primary color, and on the demo site you can see the primary color is here. So I'm going to get the color code, and for your tutorial, for your practice purpose, here you can see the color code is #2165D2. So I'm going to back here, set it here, and preferred theme scheme. Preferred theme scheme should be light. Okay, and preferred color scheme. Okay, something is wrong. I'm just going to edit this. Add the color here. Okay, and here you can see predefined color scheme. I will have to add my preferred color here. So what I'm going to do, click on any color. Just we don't need this, just click on it. Sorry, cancel it. Don't click any of this color scheme. I just made a mistake. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my color to this color palette so that I can get this color code when I will use. Okay, just I'm going to edit this color, then replace it. Okay, here you can see our preferred color has been added, and the next color, and here is the next color, this orange color. I'm going to get the color code, and I'm going to get back here. Just I'm going to edit or add the color code here. Okay, here it is. Just hit save changes. Okay, let's see the next option, header. Just click on header or hover over header and you will see these options. Just header, and the first option is header content. Header position, where would you like to position the header? As you can see on the demo site, the header is on top, so I would like to position the header. Just click on header on top and select header layout. You will see how many 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, almost 8 types of header layout, but we used this one. Okay, this one, that one is selected already. And slider position, we didn't use any slider here, so don't worry about the slider position. And header content, we have used the information on first and social icon on last. So firstly put contact info, then this is the second content type, so leave it, keep here social icon, and phone number. Okay, what is the phone number? It's a default number by default. I have added this. You can add this, call us today, and the email, just add your email address here. Then now successfully we have completed our header content and header background image. In my design, demo design, we didn't use any header background image, as you can see, so leave it default. Let me show you. Here it is. We didn't use any. Just go to the header styling now, and here you can see header padding. Just leave it 0. Header styling, header padding 0, header shadow. If you turn on the shadow, just let me show you. If I turn on the shadow and hit save changes, just come over here. Well, I didn't see any significant change here, but it might be applicable for any other header layout type, but I'm going to turn it off again. And header background color. Okay, so come here and just header background color, make it white, and archive header background color white. Header border color should be white, and header top background color, header top, this is called header top. So we are going to change the header top color to this one, and just few minutes back we added this color to the color palette. Just click on it and hit save changes. Now we are going to check our live site avada.themescode.net. Here you can see the change. Okay, hello@imranimo.com. Okay, next on is sticky header. Just click on sticky header, and here you can see if I scroll down, the top bar disappears and the logo gets smaller. Okay, the menu gets smaller. This is called sticky header. So what I'm going to do, just going to the demo site. Okay, one thing that I would like to say, you don't get confused here on avada.io, it's a demo site, and here avada.themescode.net, it's for live tutorial. I'm going to check here what I used because it's impossible to remember everything. It's a huge thing. Just click on sticky header. Okay, here you can see firstly I turned the sticky header on, and sticky header animation, sticky header font color, everything. So we are going to just turn on the sticky header on tablet. Okay, we can use sticky header on tablet. Okay, just to make one. And sticky header on mobile, no, sticky header on mobile, it should be off. Sticky header animation on, sticky header head on, sticky header background color. Okay, font color, just you can change the font color if you need. Sticky header item padding 35 by default, and font size 14 or 16. Okay, hit save changes. Okay, if I scroll down, here you can see the sticky header. By this time we have completed up to header, and now menu. Okay, and the problem is we didn't add any item to the menu now, so we are not going to touch these options now. Just we are going to jump to the typography because we will start designing and it will be important for us. We are going to jump to the typography, and also I will come back to this page again to just work with other options. Just going to get back to the typography, just click on it, and here on the typography I have used Oxygen font family. Oxygen. Then under typography, select the font family to Oxygen. And backup font family will be Arial. It's a Google font, but if something goes wrong with the Google, then this backup font will back up your website. Arial black. Okay, font weight and height normal, and font size 16, light height 1.8, and font color. This color will be used for font color, but I'm going to add this color to the color palette. So I'm going to access the color again, and here I'm going to change this color because I won't need this color. Oh, sorry. Here I'm going to go to the color and edit this color. Okay, now hit save changes. Again, come again to the typography, body typography, Oxygen, and change the font color. What I'll have to do, just reload this page again, just hit save changes, reload this page. Okay, here just this color is selected, and link color, for link color I will use this color, this one. Okay, hit save changes. So here goes all the pages I have created, the 3 pages: about us, contact, and home. And I'm just going to edit home page. Okay, and before we start designing this website within Fusion Builder Live, let me show you the settings we have. Under layout, here you can see the layout will be white as our demo site. As here on the demo site, it is 100% width template. So the page template will be 100% width or white, and background color for page will be white. Okay, and background image for page, no image. Just go to the header, display header, and header will be 100% width. Okay, background color, all the settings, and page title bar. We don't need any page title bar, that's all. So hit update. Now I'm going to click on this button, Fusion Builder Live. Okay, if this is the first time to Fusion Builder Live, and here you will see some changes probably, and on top this is the toolbar, and here is the panel, a panel of theme options, page setting, and elements. Okay, you will learn one by one, just working with this. So on the right here you will see the option to edit any element. Here you can see the page option, page header. What I can do, I can create a or add a container. Everything you see in any section is a container, and the element, title, text, and button goes inside the container. Okay, just I'm going to click add container, and this container is on column container. So just click on it, and very beginning we will just add the background image and gradient. Just click on the container option on the right. One thing that I would like to say, that if you hover over the container you will see the setting options. On the left will be column options, and on the right will be container options, and on the middle you will be able to add element. So as I am going to add a background image on the container, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to hover over on the right side, and here you can see container options tooltip, and I'm going to click on this pencil icon. If you want to delete, you can click on this bin button. You can save here, you can just clone container. Okay, and you can add another container also. What I'm going to do, click on this pencil icon or pen icon, and here on the right side, here on the left side, you can see the setting panel. First of all, you can rename the container. It's an hero image section, so I'm going to name it hero section. Once you are done, just click on the save button, and firstly I'm going to access the design tab, and here you can see container link color, container hover color, margin, and padding. I'm not going to add any margin, just I'm going to add a little padding of 15%, and bottom padding 15%. Okay, and just navigate to the next tab, is busy for background color. Just click on it, And here you can see background options. You can add any solid color, you can add gradient, you can add image, you can add video. Okay, if you want, you can add background color. Just click here to add any background color. Okay, it's easy. I'm going to click here to reset it and navigate to the third option, image. Just click on image and I'm going to add a background image. We have added all the necessary images, so you can do so. If you missed the part of the video, just come to my website imranemo.com and go to this link, freebies, and you can download the image from here. Here it is, free image for Avada web design tutorial pattern number 1. Now what I'm going to do, just going to select the image. Here it is, and scroll down. From here you will choose the size. I made a mistake when I started creating website with Avada. That time it was the image was so blurry. It took probably this image size, and I realized that here I'll have to select the image size, so full width or full size. Now finally click here, insert into post, and now you can see the image. Just hit save, click on the eye icon, and here you can see the image. Okay, again click here and go to the general, design, background. Okay, now here you can see some padding on left, some padding on right, but just go to the page edit, and here you can see layout and content, 100% width content, pixel will be 0, content padding 0 pixel, content padding 0 pixel, %% background image, yes, background repeat, no repeat. Okay, hit publish or hit update. Now visit this page. Okay friends, now I have got the solution probably to remove this padding from the left and from the right. Just come over here on the page setting and just click on template and choose 100% width and hit update. Okay, and here just reload this page again. And now here you can see it's 100% width. So we could fix the problem. And now what I'm going to do, just going to add this gradient. Okay, so again come here on the right side and click on the container options. As I reloaded this page, so I lost it. So don't worry, if you just what should I say, see it's gone. Again you can click on this pencil icon or pen icon and you will see it again. So go to the design background color and click under background options, this one gradient, and select this color. Okay, this color, and choose the second color. This pinkish color. Okay, and for the angle I'm going to choose 140. Just hit save. Now here you can see, if you want you can just reduce the opacity. So come again, just reduce the opacity so that you can see through the images also. Right. Now it's our time to add this title. Best driving school to learn best driving skills. So as I mentioned earlier, if you click on the middle, then you will find this button to add element. Okay, and just here you can see, if I hover over on the middle, it shows add element. Just click on it, and here you can see the element panel: builders element, library element, and nested element. Sorry, nested columns. So builder elements, I'm going to search for title. Here you can see titles. And the title element panel will open up here. You will see the option to add title. Okay, here goes the text. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the design tab and bring it to center. Okay, left, and HTML tag font size is the selected font size 46. Okay, and under design you can see, well, here under the design tab, here you can see title alignment. It's left aligned, and HTML heading size will be H1. If I select to H2, then here you can see color changes, and font size is 46. Font family, we have chosen our selected font family to Oxygen, so I don't need to change the font family here, but if you want you can manage it. Then margin, font color, separator, I don't like any separator, so click on none. Okay, hit save. Well friends, now let's add another element, that is text element. Here you can see. So what I'm going to do, click here on the middle, and here you can see add element below. if I click on the plus sign, I'll be able to add element below this title. Okay, add element below, and this element just what is it called, panel will open up, and you will have to choose an element from here. So here you can see text block. I'm just going to click on it. So here you see the text. I have used some dummy text, lorem ipsum. I'm going to paste here the text. Okay, and once you have pasted any text, just what you will do, just select all the text, and here you will see inline editing option for the text only. Just click on the font color and you can change the font. Okay, and you can add the font family, font typography, font family. Oxygen is selected by default. Okay, if you need more options, more customization, just click here. Here you will see the options. Okay, and click add element. You can add drop cap, highlight, pop over, tooltip. Okay, so just click here, and now let's see these two buttons. Just click here, add element below. What I'm going to do is there are two buttons, so I'm going to add two column. Just add column, two row column. Okay, and I'm going to click here to change the column size to on 6 and column size to on 6. So here you can see I have two small columns, and in each column I will add buttons. So as per usual, click on this plus sign and scroll down. Here you can see button. Just I'm going to search for button. Here you can see button. So button text is here, and again add button. Okay, button text. I'm going to hover over here to add or edit the button options. Firstly, button text. Here you can see join a class. So I'm going to change the button text. Join a class. Okay, and always choose uppercase, and alignment will be center. Go for design, button style, custom button, this color, but you can just select any other red or go for custom. Now change the color, this color, this color. Okay, change the color, change the color. So reset to default, and here you can see button border size or border radius. Select 50 to make it round. That's fine. and get back to the general again, and here you will add the link. Say for example, if any visitor click on this button, join a class, then you will send the visitor to a registration page. Okay, so say for example, any registration page, then what you will do, you will just get the URL of that page and add here. Okay, and here you will find the option and button target. It's important. You will choose blank, then this will open in a new tab. Okay, and hit save. Again, go to the next button and click on this pencil icon, edit button. Go to the design, click on custom, change the color to this color, this color. Button border radius. Okay, I missed the icon. What I'll have to do, I'll have to add the icon from here. So contact us, envelope. Okay, here you can see when I added the icon for the button, then the text goes down, and if I add more text, just say for example contact us, then it becomes okay. But if I click on uppercase, then it breaks again. So what I'll have to do, just click on here and make it to on 4. Okay, just hit update. Again, add the button link here. Just add the contact page URL here. Say for example, this is the contact page. So you will add the link to the button. And I forgot to add an icon to this button. So just again click on this button option, scroll down, go to design. Here you can see join button. Unfortunately, I don't see the button comes up. Just I'm going to add this icon, for example. This one. And again, I'm going to change the column size to on 4. That's fine. And alignment, I'm going to change the alignment. Go to the general and alignment center to make it left. Okay, again click here on the button option, go to the alignment and left, just hit save changes. And I found it very easy to create this section. Hello guys, let's start designing these sections. Okay, already I have created this one. So what I'm going to do, just hover over here, and here you can see add container. Just click on it and you will see a new container option will be open up, and as it's a 2-column container, so just click on here 2, and here you can see the option. Okay, and we don't have any background image, but I'm going to start designing it. Firstly, we will just take care of the container options. So click here, and here you will see container option, and its site width. This container is site width, not 100% width, and set column to equal height, etc. And go to design and scroll down. Let's add some padding. For top, we are going to add 60 pixel. For bottom, we are going to add 60 pixel or 40 pixel, as much as you want. Okay, now on the left here you can see text, and on the right here you can see image. So I'm going to start with the right one. Just click here and you can see add element. Just click on the plus sign, and here I'm going to search for image. Oh, here it is, image. Just click on it, and here you can see on the right image element option panel, and under general here you can see you can add the image. Just click on it. We are going to add this image, this one, and select the size from here, full width. As it's here, so we don't need the full width. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this one, 124, insert into post. Here it is. And on the right, firstly there is a title, welcome to Avada driving school. So click here, add element, and add title. So scroll down, click on this text option, paste here, welcome to Avada driving school. Okay, now click on the design tab, and by default it is selected H1. We used H1 only here, but for the rest of the headings we will use H2. I'm going to use H2. The font size is okay, but I think there might be something wrong with the option. Just go to the typography setting and header typography. For H2 oxygen font family, font weight should be bold. Hit save changes. Now here you can see font size. Let's create 36. Font family, line height, line spacing, separate, none. Okay, let's move to the design. I'm going to click on save, and again just click on text block. Again click here to add element below, and I'm going to add text block, and here you will see the option to add text. Just go text, Here it is. And I took the default style, but here you can see drop cap. So I'm going to select this P and come here to make it drop cap. Okay. Design, change the color. Okay, pretty cool. Now on the below here you can see some list items. So I'm going to click here on this plus sign, and here you can see add element below. Okay, here you can see checklist. Nice. Now here you can see checklist element and children. These elements are called children. If you add more item, you will see more children. Just I'm going to choose 1 2 3 4 5 6 and go to the general. Here you can see checklist icon circle color, and from here I'm going to change the color. Okay, now divider, you can add divider, but I don't like divider. Okay, anyway, I'm just going to make this color a bit transparent. And make this icon color to this. So it looks cool now. And go to the children. And here you can see checklist options. Just click on it. Now you can see the individual item, what should I say, editing option. Just if I click on it, and here you can see I can change the content also. So I'm going to change it to best cars available. Here you can see it changes, and I can change here expert trainers. You can change it. Now I'm going to get back and going to check children. Okay friends, here you can see it has 2 columns, but unfortunately here you can see only 1. So something might be wrong. I'm going to hit save and get back to the theme option again, and here you can see under Avada theme options, and here you can see Fusion Builder elements. Just click on it. And here you can see checklist. I'm going to check the setting options. Okay friends, to solve the issue, to make it 2 column, what you will have to do, you will have to just create a nested column. Just if I hover over any part, then you can see add element below. Just click here and you see add element below. Just click on it, and here you can see nested column. Just click on nested column and click here, and here I have added 2 different nested element or nested column. So add element, I'm going to click on checklist and just add element. Okay, that's all. And again add element, checklist, okay, then just hit save, finished. And that was the way actually. Okay, in this way you can just add 2 column. And if you want to edit, just click on this pencil icon again and open the nested element, list element option. Just go to the general, change the color. Okay, again come here, checklist, general, change the color. If you want, you can also change the font family. Here you will find the font family, item size 14. Okay, again go here, checklist, general, and here you will see item size, set it to 14. And again here you can see finished. Just click on it and hit save. So finally we could edit this section. Now we are going to create this parallel section, schedule your driving lessons. Okay, now as per usual we are going to add a content to create this section. It's a call to action section, schedule your driving lessons. Okay, just click here and add container. And now here you can see we can choose any of the column style, but here you can see 153515, this one. But we are going to add in the middle. We will leave these 2 blank and we will add element in the middle one, like this one. But okay, so firstly we are going to change the background image. Okay, on the right, if I hover over, you can see container options. Just click on it and directly go to the background color, busy, and directly go to the image, add image. I'm going to add this image, and this time I'll use this full size, insert into post. Okay, and get back to the design. Here you can see padding. I'm going to add 15%, top, bottom 15%, or 10%. Okay, so here I'm going to click add element. So we have successfully added the background image, but still we need to add the gradient. Here you can see the gradient. Okay, we are going to make it quickly. Just again get back to the background image, and here you can see gradient and gradient color. That's cool. Click here, add element, and add title. What is the title? Schedule your driving license. Go to the text tab and paste here. Go to the design, select the S2. And here goes some text. And again click here to add element. I'm going to add text block. So go to the text type, I have added text here, and finally a button. Then click add element below and button, the design, custom button, color, this color, and let's see the button text. Go to the general and change the button text and just link. Go to the design and here I add icon. That's all. Now what you can see, the nice background color, border radius. So here you can see add column, and on the right column option, here you can see column editing option. Just go to the BG and click on background color. I'm going to set the color and just here it is, and go to the general, go to design, and you can add padding 60 pixel, bottom 60 pixel, on right 30 pixel, on left 30 pixel, and here you can see border size 0 and border radius 40 pixel or 20 pixel, 20 pixel, 20 pixel, 20 pixel. Perfect. Just hit save. Now click here, and here goes it. But the background isn't perfectly parallax. So what I'm going to do, just click here and go to the container option, go to the background image, and here you can see background position, center, no repeat, and here you can see background parallax. select fixed. Okay, then hit save. Now come here, and here you can see background is fixed, and it creates nice effect. That's cool. Let's build the next one. This one. Stop waiting, start learning. So once again, what we are going to do, we are going to click here. We are going to click here to add a new container. Okay, new container and 2 column. This one, 2 column container, and go to the general, and it's 100% width container because 100% width, and just go to the design. Okay, on the left here you can see the image, and on the right the text. So I'm going to click here at element, and here you can see image, and I'm going to click on image. I'm going to add this image, and from here I'm going to choose the size, full size, insert into post. Okay, here it is. And on the right, this text element. On the right, click here to add element. Just click here to add element. Okay. Search for title. Here it is. And go to the design, change the heading size to 2. Okay. Now info box. These are info box. Okay. So click here to add element below, and I'm going to add content boxes. The first box will be unlimited support. Search for the icon support. Help. Here I'm going to add the content. Now I'm going to change the icon color. Just scroll up. Icon color white. No. Here icon color will be this. And icon color background. Icon border color. Okay, that's all. Okay, that's fine. Now get back to the content box setting, click on general, and here you can see number of column. One is default, but change it to 2. And I'm going to get back to the children. I'm going to delete this one and I'm going to clone. And how many we have? Only 4. Okay, now start changing the title. Reasonable fee. The second one is reasonable fee. And I'm going to change the icon to $. Currency. Here it is. In the same way, you can bring change to other content boxes. Just come here, flexible time. And another one is standard vehicle. Just hit save. Click here. Now here it is. Okay, but here you can see on the right there is some space. Okay. Okay, what I'll do, once I have clicked on container options, then here you will see the drag and drop option. Just drag it. Or go to the design. Here you can see on left 28, but make it to 0. Okay, just hit save. column options, design, well friends, here you can see uh, once I have clicked on the container options, somehow I selected 100% width at the beginning, but it's still site width. So click on 100% width and hit save. Now the issue is solved. That's fine. Now we could make something like this. Okay. Now let's see how to create this one. Hi guys, let's see how to create this section. Here you can see a form, and on the right here you can see courses, driving courses we offer. Okay, this form is built with Contact Form 7 plugin. If you have any working experience with Contact Form, then you will find it easy and nothing to be worried about. It's a pretty simple plugin. Here you can see Contact Form 7, and as I think you can remember, at the very beginning of this series we installed the Contact Form 7 plugin. Okay, so I'm going to get back of the dashboard. Here I'm on the dashboard. Okay, come on. Here I'm on the dashboard, and here you can see Contact Form 7 plugin. Okay, so and here you can see under forms, here goes the shortcode that I have used from the Avada demo, and just hit save. That's all. Now I'm going to scroll down, and here you can see add container. I'm going to click on add container, and I'll choose this layout 1-3 or 2-3. Okay, or anything else. Okay, for this time being I'm going to start with this one. So on left I'll add the form. Okay, and let's see, is there any background color or background image? Yes, there is an image on the background, so I'm going to add the background image first. Just I'm going to click here on the right, container options. Just click on container options, and here you will see design, and scroll down, add padding of 60 pixel, bottom 60 pixel, and click on BG, I mean background color, and click on this image and click on add image, and here goes the image, highway.jpg, and scroll down. Here you can see full size. Now click on insert into post. Now the image has been added, and scroll down. Background position is center, background repeat is no repeat, and background parallax is fixed. Hit save. Okay. Now we are going to add the content. Firstly, this form. Firstly, this title actually. Choose a course. Click here, add title. Go to the design and select H2. Choose a course. And this text. Add a text block element. Now we are going to add this form. Okay, click here, add element below, and contact form 7. From here I'm going to select on. Okay, request a callback. Now here you can see there is white background. So we are going to come here and edit column options, go to design and add padding on top 60 pixel, bottom 60 pixel, right 20 pixel, left 20 pixel. Okay, and for margin, as I would like to push this form up, so I will have to add negative margin. So negative margin of 180 for this being. Okay, so it goes up. And go to the BG, I mean background color, add background color. So I'm going to add white background color. Okay, and get back to the design again. We will have to add box shadow. Yes, box shadow. Add blur radius 9, and color will be this color. Hit save. I'm going to click on preview button, and here you can see it. Nice. So again, okay, I'm going to add the course titles here. So firstly, title, driving courses we offer. So just click here, add title, go to the design, add the text, select the text and change the color. Okay, now click here, add element below. So what we are going to do, we are going to add content box. Okay, let's add some image. Okay, hello, well, let's add these courses. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come over here and add columns. Just click on add columns. I'm going to add here. You can see our column structure is 2 3. Okay, so click on add column and 2 3. Here it is 2 3. Well, the solution I have found to display these course images is just inline columns. Just click here and here you can see nested columns and click on this one. Okay, so firstly I'm going to add element image, then I'm going to add element title. Okay, then add the image, this one for women driving. I'm going to change the title. Go to the design, change font, learn more button. Again, add element, button. Go to the design, general, learn more. Alignment, center. Go to the design and change the color. Okay, I'm going to choose this default color, and what I'm going to do, just clone this column, clone this column, clone this. And again change this image. And select this one, and the title is adult driving. Change the title. Well, that's all. So you could learn how to create this section. Hit save. Now let's see how to create this section, our cars. Hi guys, I have already completed this section. I mean our courses. I have created a form on here and I listed the courses here. And let's see what we are going to create now. Okay, on the demo site, after this section we have our cars. It's a gallery and you see it's a full width gallery. If I click on the images, then here you can see a nice gallery. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get to be started. And as per usual, we are going to create a new container. On the right side, if I hover over here, and you will see this option, add container, edit container or container options, clone container, save container, delete container, and you can drag and drop this container. Okay, now click here and add container. So I'm going to click on it and it will ask me the column options. How many columns would you like to add to the container? I'm going to add only one column. Here you can see. Okay, just click on column. And once you have successfully created the container, firstly let's jump into the container setting options. Okay, on the right, if you hover over and you can see container options, just click on this pen icon. And here you can see container setting options. You can name the container here, just gallery container. Okay, and the setting options has several tabs: general, design, background, extra. So under general, here you can see interior content width. As it is a full width gallery, so I'm going to click on 100% width. Okay, and 100% height. Don't necessarily set column to equal height. That's all. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get back here and firstly I'm going to add this, and here you, okay, now let's get to the demo, and here you can see some empty space here above the title, so that's padding. So what I'm going to do, navigate to the design tab, and if you scroll down here you will see the option to add padding. I'm just going to add 60 pixel on top. I'm going to add 60 pixel on top. Sorry, 60 pixel on top and bottom 60 pixel also. And hit save. If you want, you can change the background. You can add any background image, as this design doesn't require any background image. Okay, now I'm going to start adding the element. So first element will be the title, our cards. Just click here and add title. Okay, and navigate to design, and here change the HTML heading size to H2. Okay, and bring it to center. Fine. And if you need, you can add some padding or margin, but I don't need now. Okay, so hit save, and here you can see the text. So I'm going to add a text block. I'm going to click below. Sorry, I'm going to click here to add element below, and this time I'll add text block. Okay, I have added this text, and okay, just click here to text block option, and I'm going to go to the visual mode and bring it to center. Okay, here it is. Now hit save, and finally we are going to add this element, gallery. So click here on the plus sign and search for gallery. Here it is, and I'm going to click on it. On the right here you can see I have added the gallery element. So here goes the child option, and on the right here goes the general, and you will see the options to design the gallery. So firstly I'm going to add image. So here you can see the add image button, and here already our default button. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to choose an image, and here you can see our cards. Here it is, and you can add image link here and set the target. Go back and add another image. Just add image. You can add the image here. And you will see the same setting options. So I'm going to add images very quickly. Just I'm going to copy or clone it. Okay, just going to change images. Well friends, you can see I have added 6 images in the gallery. So I'm going to hit a save button and I'm going to click on the preview button. Now here you can see it has some issue. Here you can see separator, but you can remove the separator, and but the main issue is here you can see column gap, but on the demo we don't have any gap. So what we can do, just go to the editing mode again and click on the general. So here you can see default layout is grid, and it's a grid actually, and here you can see picture size will be fixed or auto. Okay, I'm going to click on default for now, and here you can see number of column 3, and here you can see also number of column 3, and column spacing, I'm going to remove the column spacing, and now here you can see no gap, and hover type will be zoom in, and image lightbox content default. Okay, that's cool. Now I'm going to hit save again, click here. Okay, it's fine, but here you can see on the left there is a small gap, on the right there is a small gap, but I'm going to get back to the container setting option again. Okay, just container options and general, go to the design, now the issue is solved. What I did, I added 0 padding on the right and on the left. Let me show you again. Here you can see I accessed the container of setting option, and I added 0 padding for right and 0 padding for left. So this is it, and I'm going to check it again. If I click on it, here you can see the gallery option. Okay, that's all. We could successfully created this option. Now we are going to build the next option, meet our instructors, very soon. Now I'm going to show you how to create this section, meet our instructors. Okay, you can say team members. Well, I'm get back to here. Well, I am back here, and just click this, uncheck this preview. And now what I'm going to hover over here on the right and click on add container, and this time what I'll do, okay, and this time I'm going to choose this column layout on 4, and here it is. Okay, and I'm going to hover over here on right to add a container, and firstly I'll start with 1 by 1, and I will put the title and description here. Meet our instructors. Add title, just click element, search for title. I'm going to paste the title here and go to the design. I'm going to select H2 and I'm going to align it to center. And here you can see separator. If you don't want, just scroll down and here you will see separator, select none. Okay, now I'm going to hover over here and add element below. I'm going to search for text block and here you can see the text. It's a dummy text. I'm going to click here. Okay, now I'm going to click here on this button to align the text center. Here it is. It's not on center. Just I'm going to select this text and click here. Now it's center. Okay, so hit update. Again, here you can add column. Just click on it, add column, and now click here. Okay, here you can see column on bottom, and on each column we will add team members. Just click on here, add element, and I'm going to add person. Here it is, person element. And here you can see you can add image, name, title, etc. So pretty easy. I'm just going to click here to edit person, and here you can see add picture. I have already added the pictures. Here you can see the picture and the name, say for example Imran Imo, and title, what should be web developer. Okay, and description, I'm going to add this text again. Okay, here it is. Now if I scroll down, here you can see I can add link to this image. So just I'm going to add a link, just this link for example. Okay, and target blank, and picture style will be glow or anything else you want. Drop shadow, bottom shadow only. Okay, so picture style, color, picture border size will be 5 pixel, and border color, suppose this color, border radius 20 pixel or 10 pixel. Hover type, zoom in, background color, you can add background color. Okay, but it doesn't look cool. Content alignment center, social icon position on top, bottom, social icon style, yes, and social icon color, brand color, tooltip position top. And here you can see several social media link, just your Facebook link, say for example facebook.com/imran.emo.hr. Here you can see the link. Okay, now just get the link and paste here. So in the same way you can add link for Flickr. If you have Flickr link, you can add LinkedIn URL. You can add a lots of social media handler here, Pinterest, Twitter link. Okay, sorry, it's not Twitter. Here is the Twitter. Vimo link, Viki link. Well, so I think I could show you how to customize this, and once you are done, what you will do, just I'm going to show you how to duplicate this. Just duplicate this 4 times. You will also have several columns here unused, but delete this unused columns. Okay, here you can see. Now what you will do, you will just change the image of each column. Just click on here and change the image, this image. In the same way you can change the name, description, social media link, everything. Just click here, you can change it to this, and click on here and you can change the image, you can change the text. Pretty nice. So hit save, and this is the end of this section. I believe you enjoyed this section. I believe you enjoyed creating this section. Thank you. And next we will create this section, our driving packages. Okay. Hi guys, let's create this section, our driving packages. It's a pricing table. So let's get to started. Here I'm on the dev website, and if I hover over here, you can see add container, and click on add container, and I'll go with on column container. Just click on it. Okay. If in our design we have any background image or background color, then we will work with the container background first. So just click on here, and here you can see container option. Just click on container option, and on the left here you can see the options. Firstly, navigate to design, and I'm going to add some padding. On top I'm going to add 60 pixel. On bottom I'm going to add 60 pixel. Okay. So, and navigate to busy, and navigate to busy, it means background color. So here you can see image. Just click on it to add image. Just click here, add this image, and click insert into post. Okay. Now hover over on left gradient, click on it. Just click to choose a color to add gradient. Okay, gradient angle, I like 140 angle. That's cool. Okay, now I'm going to start adding the text. So let's get this title, and on the middle here you can see add element, and click on the plus sign, add element, and search for title. Sorry, get to the text tab. Okay, here it is, but I'm going to get to the design and choose is to no is on, and bring it to center, and I don't need separator, so just none. And if you want, you can change the font size to 46. Okay, that's cool. And I have some text here, so just get the text. Again, click on the middle to add element below. This time I will add text block. Well, select this text mode and paste the text here. Again, go to the visual mode and click on center. Here it is. Now I'm going to select the whole text, and here you will see inline editing option. Just I'm going to change the color. Sorry. That's fine. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this packages: basic, standard, professional, and business. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 4 columns. Okay, so just here you can see the option to add columns. Just click here, and this time I will add on 4, because I will have to hold 4 columns here. Okay, and click here on this plus sign to add element, and here you will find pricing. Just search for pricing. Here it is, pricing table. Okay, just click here, and here it is. First of all, the title is basic. So here you can see pricing table, and here you can see table option, but I'm going to add the content first. Just add pricing column. Okay, and here you can see edit item. So I'm going to change the title. Basic, and the currency symbol is dollar, and currency position before you can bring it to left or right, and the price, time period, Okay, and here you can see the options to add features. Okay, and here you can see on the bottom is order. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to add any element from Fusion element. Just click here and click on button, and button text will be book now. Sorry, button URL, any URL. Just say for example, I'm going to use this URL, and button text book now. Hit insert. Okay, but here you can see the color is different because I select the default color for this design blue. Okay, if you want to change, you can change it from the element options in the dashboard. Okay, now here you can see the table option, style on, background color white, hover color white, border color, highlighting color. Where is the highlighting color? Here it is. It should be this color, body text color, etc. and table option. And here you can see change of the price color. Just click here, get back, table option. Here you can see pricing text color. Now you can see it changes. So it's easy. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to navigate to settings. Sorry. Okay, now I'm here. I'm going to click on pricing table option. Okay, and here you can see the options, but I have 3 other packages also, so it will be easy. Just click on here and click clone column. Click clone column, clone column. So that's all. Now just hover over here and change the title standard. Change here, and here you can see it changes. Click here on the middle to edit the pricing table option. Click here again. In the same way, I'm going to change for the last one. That's all. So I'm going to hit save and I'm going to preview it. Okay, that's fine. Now I'm going to show you how to add this section, this testimonial. It's the most easiest section of this training. So I'm going to build this section, testimonial. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm back on my website, and from here, okay, I'm going to disable the preview. Here I'm going to click on add container, and this time I'll start with this one. But here you can see on the middle column is bigger, so I will make it to 1 2, and I don't need this, just delete this one. Okay, here it is, and on the middle here you can see testimonial. So firstly what I'm going to do, just add some space on this container. Just click on container option, go to the design or background, design, and hover over here, add padding top 60 pixel, add padding bottom 60 pixel. If you want, you can add any background image, it's up to you. Okay, and now click on the middle to add element and search for testimonial. And here you can see, just Imran Emo. Click on here, your content goes here. Company, themes code, link, you can add any link. Okay, testimonial, I am fully happy, I am so happy. Okay, that's fine. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use Avada, an image. So click on here and use this one. Get back and go for general, and here it is. And now show navigation. You can manage the testimonial speed, background color. Just remove the background color if you don't want. Okay, or you can add any background color. I'm going to add solid white. Okay, and text color, this color. Okay, that's all. What I'm going to do, just again click here, go for children and clone it. And change the image, change the text, name Charlene, etc. Just hit save. That's all. Just preview. Here it is. Okay, very soon we will start designing this footer. Okay, we will design the footer like this. I hope you could follow every steps I showed you, and now we are here. I have completed this one and this one. Now we are going to show you. Now let's see how to build this footer and this header. I'll just create or solve it very quickly. Okay, so here you can see already a footer, but this footer content is maintained by widget. Here you can see the footer default footer, and if you want to disable or enable any footer, what you will have to do, you will have to just disable it from the page setting. Here we are working on the home page. Okay, so if I just try to access this home page backend, what I'm going to do, click on this icon, edit page. When you create any page, you will see this type of setting options with Avada theme. On the bottom, Fusion page options. Okay, here you can see header. If you don't like, you can disable header. Okay, if you don't like, you can disable footer. Okay, but if you would like to manage the content of the footer, you will have to back to the widgets, and under appearance, themes, customize, and you will find widgets. So click on widgets, and here you will see footer widget on. Currently it has meta widget area, archive. Okay, delete. As I have removed all of these things from here, so if you visit this page again, you will see nothing here. Here you can see I removed it. So if you add any content here, that will be displayed here on the footer. So on my demo site, here you can see the logo and text. So what I'm going to add here, add image. Okay, I'm going to see the back end. Here on the footer widget on, I used image and text. So I'm going to show you to do that. Just from here, add image. On footer widget on, just add image. This image, it's a logo actually. So if you reload here, okay, I didn't save it, just hit save. Okay, here it is. Now if you want to add text, just add a text block here. Here it is. And I'm going to add this text. Just hit save, and if you reload, you will see here. Now here you can see different color. It's not a big issue. Just go to header, go to Avada, and here you see theme options, and from header, footer, from footer, just click on footer styling, and here you can see footer background color. Just change the color to this color. Just pretty easy. And reload it again. Here you can see the color changed. Okay, and for footer widget 2, we are going to add some random just footer widget 2, just custom HTML. Okay, on footer widget 2, we are going to add custom HTML. Here it is, custom HTML. If you have solid knowledge of HTML, then it will be easy. Just I have added this HTML code, hit save, and on the right, on the bottom here you can see the links, but these are not beautifully designed vertically. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the CSS code I have added. Just go to the theme options, custom CSS, here goes it. And here I'm going to add the CSS, hit save changes. Now reload this page, and here it is. And you just write the title, important links, hit save, reload. Okay, in the same way I hope you will be able to create this footer. Okay, and I'm going to show you the footer bottom, theme option, go to the footer content, and here you can see under footer content you can change everything you want. So just remove it first. I'm going to show you what I used. Footer content, and here you can see Ctrl C, Ctrl V, paste it, hit save changes. Okay, now let's see how to build this beautiful navigation. Here it is. Okay, we are going to add the menu or pages here. So I'm on the back end, just under themes, under appearance you will see menus. Firstly, you will have to create a menu. Here, menu name. So I'm going to name it main menu. Just click here, create menu, and you will have to add items to the menu. What can be the items? The page, post, custom links, categories. These are the items that you can add to the main menu or any kind of menu. Just I'm going to select and click add to menu, hit save menu, and now reload it. Sorry, I have something to do. Just go to the manage location, and here you can see main navigation. Just select the menu, main menu we have created earlier. hit save changes and reload this page again. Now you can see the content here. Okay, I'm just going to reorder, just edit menu. I'm going to bring the home on top. Reload it. Okay, here you can see Avada logo, but we should add our own logo. Okay, just go to the theme option. Just under Avada, go to theme options. And here you can see logo. Just add your own logo. Default logo. I will use the same image for all type of logos. Just hit save changes. Now reload it. Here it is. And now from the theme option, let's come here. Okay, and finally I'm going to just remove the margin of the logo. Just 10. Hit save changes. Reload it. Okay, it's cool now. Still, I should decrease the margin to 8. Hit save changes. Now let's see menu. Click on menu, and here you can see the options. Menu height, you can make it 100. Where would you like to show the menu? And the size, color, typography, and the font family will be Oxygen. (14 pixel) color, this color. Active menu color. What is the active menu color here? Blue. This one is the active color. Just hit save changes. Reload the page again. Go to the theme option again. Okay, let's see header, and header content top, and the header style is selected is okay, this one, and header position above, header content is okay. Now see header styling. Well, actually, this if you add more pages or items on the menu, then they will get back here. They will just be here. Okay. So now what I'm going to show you how we can set the page to our landing page. If I visit our site, say for example avada.themescode.net, then we see this default page, but we have to just navigate to //home. Okay, but we need to assign this home page to the landing page of our site. Okay, so get back to the dashboard, and here you can see setting and go for reading, and here you can see reading settings, your home page display, and click here and select the home page, and hit save changes. Now if we reload the page, this home page will be used as the default page. Okay, that's all. Okay friends, I tried to make it simple, but I don't know what you think. Please let me know through the video comment box. I would love to see your comment. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again in the next video.